We'll guide you through how to use screen mirroring from an iPhone to an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and have your iPhone screen on your iPad and it's going to go and be bigger. So we're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. So to get started, come into the settings. What you want to do is just come to the top and you want to make sure you're both connected or both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So you can see the iPhone is connected to GR. If you then come onto the iPad and open up settings, on the left, you can see this is also connected to GR as well. That's super key. Next, what we need to do is we're going to come to the App Store and we'll come on the iPhone, press App Store, press search in the bottom right, press search at the top, and type in an app called Let's View. Just like so. And the app you want is this one here. So you can go and download it. For you, it'll probably go and say get like this app here. I've got this cloud icon as I've already downloaded it before. So go and wait for that to go and download. And you do the same thing on the iPad. So we can go and open up the App Store, find search, press search, and we can go and type in Let's View, just like this. Here it is. So then what we can do is go and download it like this. Go and wait for it to go and download. And as you can see, it then goes and says open. So what we can then do is we need to go and open it up on both devices. Just like this. Make sure you go and give it the relevant permissions. So you need to go and press allow there. I'll press R setup not to track. Then you want to do the same thing on the iPhone. So make sure you press allow. Now it should then go and show the iPad here. And on the iPad, it shows the iPhone. But because we're wanting to go and mirror from the iPhone to the iPad, make sure you can see that, you need to go and press it in here. So what you can then do is go and tap there. Press start broadcast, and the iPhone should shortly go onto the iPad, as you can see. So you can come out of here, you can go and press got it on the iPad, you can go and press the cross in the top right and press that at the top just to go and hide it, and there we have it. So as you can see, the iPhone is on the iPad and we're successfully mirroring, and that's it. And as you saw before, you can actually go and pinch on it a bit if you want to zoom it in. Or of course, you could have the iPad rotated as well. So you can go and have it in the orientation you want it. But that is how it's done. If you found this useful, then leave a like.